Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial where we'll guide you through the seamless installation process of the Dynamic Blocks free and PRO plugin. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting your WordPress journey, this step-by-step guide guarantees that you unlock the full potential of this powerful plugin. Let's dive right in. Installing Dynamic Blocks free version. Installation via plugin search. 1. Access your WordPress dashboard. 2. Navigate to the Plugins tab and select Add New. 3. In the search bar, enter Dynamic Blocks for WordPress, WooCommerce, and Gutenberg, and press Enter. 4. Locate the Dynamic Blocks plugin in the search results. 5. Click Install and then Activate to enable the plugin. Manual installation via plugin upload. 1. Download the Dynamic Block plugin, zip file from the plugin listing on wordpress.org. 2. Access your WordPress dashboard. 3. Go to the Plugins section and select Add New. 4. Click on the button that says Upload Plugin. 5. Choose the file and click Install Now to initiate the installation process. 6. Once installed, find Dynamic Blocks in the list of plugins and click Activate. Now that Dynamic Blocks free is up and running, let's move on to installing the PRO version. Dynamic Blocks Pro is the premium add-on, offering advanced functionalities and expanded features. If you haven't done that yet, please visit our website for instructions to buy the PRO version. Otherwise, on behalf of the entire team, we thank you for your purchase. Now, let's get started with the PRO installation. Now, retrieving your purchased files. Upon purchasing Dynamic Blocks PRO, check your email for essential details: purchase receipt, username, download link, and product license key. Click on the provided link in the email to download Dynamic Blocks PRO or access it from your account on our website. To install the Dynamic Blocks PRO plugin, repeat the steps for manual installation of free version via plugin upload. But before we proceed, ensure you have the Dynamic Blocks free plugin installed and activated. Once installed, find Dynamic Blocks Pro in the list of plugins and click Activate. Activating Pro license. 1. Go to Dynamic Blocks Global Setting page. 2. Input the email address used for the purchase. 3. Enter the license code received via email or found on your account page. 4. Click Save to activate the license for Dynamic Blocks Pro. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded to Dynamic Blocks Pro. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to our channel for upcoming videos, ensuring you stay updated on new features and exciting developments in the world of Dynamic Blocks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Happy WordPressing. Thanks again.